I'm using these containers. This one is for beading, and I got this from Michael's and they had it on sale. And to let you guys know, you would spray your rubbing alcohol on it to sanitize your container. So this concealer actually comes with a top that you can take off. You're gonna go ahead and jimmy that off. Then there's a spring on the inside. Go ahead and pull that out. Go ahead and squeeze your product into the container of your choice. You're also gonna need a spatula and the scissors. Go ahead and cut the concealer in half after you squeezed out most of it. Then use a spatula to take out the excess. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's a lot of excess product that's left into the tube. So that's why it's important to actually take out the excess with the spatula. Even though this product is inexpensive, you still want to get your money's worth.